Have you noticed a synchronous motor becoming unstable when the load changes suddenly? Let's uncover what's happening inside. At no load, the rotor pole axis is nearly aligned with the stator pole axis. But when the motor is loaded, the rotor pole axis falls or lags behind the stator pole axis. This lag is called the load angle or angle of retardation. Now, if the load suddenly increases or decreases, the rotor tries to shift to a new equilibrium position. But due to rotor inertia, it cannot achieve its final position instantaneously. The rotor passes beyond its new equilibrium position. This creates more torque than demanded, which swings the rotor in the opposite direction. This creates a torque imbalance, causing the rotor to swing back and forth about the stator pole axis. This phenomenon is known as hunting in synchronous motor. Does hunting only impact the synchronous motor, or can it disrupt the appliances connected to the same line? Yes, it can. As the load angle oscillates, the motor current fluctuates, even though the excitation current remains the same. If the swings match the rotor's natural oscillation frequency, the amplitude increases and the motor may fall out of synchronism. This leads to severe mechanical stress, excessive current, and even motor failure. And yes, this instability can affect other appliances on the same line. So how can we control hunting and protect the system? Think about it and drop your answer in the comments. If not, catch our next video to find out.